There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up? It's your girl A, and you already know we back to slay with an Amazon wig today. What's up, everybody? I hope you all are having like a really great day when y'all are watching this video, coming through with the positivity. You know we got to start it off like that. Like you wake up, feel blessed, and you carry along with the day and feel blessed. So I hope you're all having like a blessed day, staying positive, staying out the way, and enjoying yourself. This is an Amazon wig, and I already got it right here and it's ready to go. When I say it's ready to go, meaning it's pre-everything and it's just gonna come to your house as it is. And it's up to you whether you want to put it on right then and there and just go about your day, or if you want to put a little bit extra flair to it. You know I'm about to put a little bit extra flair to this because I like things the way that I like them. My preference is mine and yours is yours. But whatever better company to represent for the budget-friendly divas is UNicehair. UNice has definitely come through with the nice prices, budget friendly, pre-everything. And girl, when I tell you, you get your stuff on time, Amazon Prime, get your wig on time. Let me show you what comes in this amazing box. You do get some nice gifts, some amenities when ordering with UNicehair. So inside the box, you will get a 2-pack of some HD wig caps, a melting band. So receive one of their edge brushes, which is really, really cool. Of course, some tape in case you decide to use tape to adhere your unit, and of course the wig girl. So this one right here is a 7x5, and this is the no slip Yaki straight unit. No slip caps. They've come through with some new caps. So let me show you what that is looking like. The tape is always handy. I do like tape, but I will say this. I noticed that it doesn't adhere for too long against my oily skin, but you do need to make sure that you are cleaning the area where you're going to adhere the tape at really, really good. I would suggest like rubbing alcohol or some sort. I also do like to use tape and hairspray as a combo, and that way the wig is not going nowhere for like days, okay? Like seriously. But let me show y'all this. This is their light Yaki. Now I love a good wig. I always say that this is what this video should be called. I love a good wig. You know what I'm saying? So I do love a good wig. Like I know y'all love a good wig too. Like who am I fooling? Like if you don't love a good wig, then I don't know what to tell you. Because why would you love a bad wig? Like that would make no sense, right? Now, like I said, I love a good wig. I love a good wig that just, you know, mimic African American hair, black girl hair. I love a good wig like that. I love a good wavy wig. I love a good curly wig because you ain't got to do much. I love a good wig. This is their light Yaki. And when I tell you she is gorgeous, she is gorgeous. She is flowy. She is flowy. She can definitely take heat. She's already ready to go. She is a pre-everything. And it is one of their new caps, which is the non-slip cap, which I will go ahead and give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like. Already been bleached for you, as you can see by the tone of the actual closure right here. It is a 7x5. It's already been pre-cut, as you see by the perforated lace right here. When you cut the lace like this, it will help blend it better against your skin versus it just being straight across. And this is the new slip cap. If you notice here in the wig, you'll notice there's 3 like rubber bandings going across silicone like. This is supposed to help in allowing it not to slip back off of your head. And I think that has a lot to do with because there's no combs on the sides. But in the nape, there is also a comb, and along the circumference of the cap at the back in the nape, there's also that rubber banding as well. Now this one has a different adjustable strap. This is the ones like this where you can just, you know, adjust it as is versus it going into the slot. And that's about it, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and style this baby. I already got my curling iron ready to go, so that way we could just get this done.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can't find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My
She came out really, really cute. I got me some big wand curls at the bottom, just giving it a little bit of dimension, you know, instead of it just being all straight and sleek. I do know that there are a lot of ladies who love just wearing it straight, and that's your preference. I'm not like huge on straight hair. I do like a little bit of curl in all of my wigs. I don't know what it is, but I do prefer a little bit curl. I think it has to do with my head is long, you know what I'm saying? So I really don't like a straight middle part with the hair straight. I like a little dimension. This came out cute. It was really easy to style. I didn't even use any concealer in my part because I felt like it just looked great the way it was. And you know, I just did pluck a little bit of extra hairs away from the hairline. This wig fits good. I do like the fact that the drawstring is in these Unice now. Girl, y'all remember when they ain't had no drawstrings in it? They just had some combs. I don't even remember them giving you tape. You just had some combs and the adjustable strap. You wasn't getting no melting band. You wasn't getting nothing but that. And you had to make it work and do what it do. So this is actually really, really comfortable. I do like this unit a lot. They don't put too many combs in the Unice anymore. So that's the one thing that I do miss, even though they do kind of tend to hurt right here. So I like the fact that this fits comfortable. It is a slip cap, a non-slip cap, which means it's not supposed to slip back, which is a plus. However, I've had those moments when I thought I was real cute and my wig was inching the hell back, okay? Yes, girl, it's not a fun thing. But this came out cute, 24 inches, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you born to slay. Y'all know I love me some cheetah print, so I had to put on some red with it because I thought red looked really, really cute with cheetah print, and even on my nails, there is cheetah print. But this wig looks really, really cute. I like it. It's very simple. It's easy. It's pre-everything. You can put it on and go. Pre-approved, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled. What else can I tell you guys? Just get this unit from UNicehair because they really do care. And I will see y'all in the next video. Leave your comments, your thoughts, whatever you have. If you've never subscribed to any of my videos, my YouTube channel, please do so now if you enjoyed this content. And that way, every time I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you won't miss out, okay? But I love you all. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. Let me know what you thought of the look for today. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.